So here are the 4 videos that led me to 3D printing my own screen for my t-shirt here.
So I saw a cool TikTok of someone using multiple colors to do a screen print, and I wanted to try and do that with a 3D printer. Unfortunately, the first one did not come out great. I don't know what happened here. It seems to be missing all the vertical lines. But that's okay. I'm still going to try this one, and we're going to try and print another one. And the second one finished a lot better this time. There's still a lot of issues, but I think that's just because I'm using flexible filament. Let me try and print one off using just regular PLA. PLA version of this screen printing thing is done. Nope, I'm about to pick up the whole printer here. So I had to print off another PLA one. The last one didn't survive. Let's see if I can get this one off. Okay. I got it off the printer. It is a bit on the rough side, but that's okay. I have these two that I'm going to print, and I have this shirt that is going to get screen printed on with my 3D printed screen printing screens. Alright, we're going to go with the flexible filament one first. Okay, I have the paint down. I don't think this is quite enough, but you know what? Maybe I'll add just a little bit more. Tragedy struck, but that's okay. Time to do this. Alright, and now we're going to swipe this across. Hopefully this works. I can already tell that it's not as good as I had hoped. We're going to cheat and go this way. There's just one spot that doesn't have color, and I have a feeling I have royally screwed this up. You know what? It doesn't look that bad. It's obviously not as good as a real screen print, and I messed up by not having nearly enough paint on there. So let's try again with the PLA one. Alright, got all the color down on the PLA one. I put a lot more on this time, and I'm going to go a lot slower spreading it across. Alright, we're going to try and go nice and slow. Get that ink evenly distributed. I have screwed up again. That's okay. We're going to do the same thing and go this way. I see. I just need a little bit down there. Okay. And the reveal is bad. That's bad. It looked like it actually managed to push through the PLA there, so that's unfortunate. I'm not going to give up, though. I'm going to try the flexible one more time, because that one almost worked. So let's give that a go. Alright, color down. Let's try and give it a swipe. Alright, let's try a second swipe. Nice and slow. This is the flexible. It's going down a lot better. I still see a few spots that I missed. So we're going to go over it that way. And then hopefully that came out way better than I thought it was going to. That actually looks pretty cool. What do you think? You can say if you like it. That actually is really cool. Now, while those are drying, I'm not going to stop there. I have another idea of using the actual screen printing fabric to make this even better. So that's what I'm going to attempt next. So I realized I didn't go over the actual results in the video because I was waiting for them to dry. So here they are from worst to best with Tiger watching on. Now the PLA one, for some reason, leaked through the PLA parts a lot. So unfortunately this one just doesn't look good, but I have a way that we might be able to save it. This one, which was the first flexible test, looks okay. I wish I would have gone through and done a little bit more there, minus the accident on the side. But again, I think I have a way to potentially save this because I still think it looks really cool. And then last, we have the last flexible test. I think looks absolutely the best. The red around the eyes is menacing. But yeah, this shows promise. I cannot wait to further experiment with these. Tiger approves. So, for attempt 2 of this screen printing from a 3D printer, I have improvised something. This is actually screen printing film right here, or whatever it's called, and I'm going to be printing flexible filament onto it. And it is done. It looks super clean. Let's see how well it can print onto a t-shirt. Now to add the paint. Okay, paint's all down. Now time to squeegee. Alright, time to nice and slow. Oh, this is working so much better than the last one. So now I've got the paint, so I'm going to do a side swipe. And there's just a little bit of white I can see right here, so... Oh, maybe that's just thing. Alright, so now we're going to take this off. Oh wow, that turned out so much better. There's a little bit of a mess on the side from where I'm assuming when I was trying to squeegee and get those, but that's okay. This turned out absolutely amazing. I need to work on figuring out how to do the colors a little bit better, but Sinister Pumpkin. Check mark. Alright, now that the paint's a little bit more dry and I've woken up a little bit, I got great advice yesterday about not doing the side swipe. I completely forgot about that. I had basically just woken up and decided I'm going to do this since it was finished printing. So I'm going to try another one later on today with a different color shirt to see if I can get a cool pattern. I need to use a lot more paint. So since the last one turned out so well, I'm going to do it again. And this time I'm going to try and make it so I don't muddle all the colors and it's dark. I want a nice bright pumpkin. Alright, paint down. I am not going to side swipe or anything like that. I'm just going to do one nice even swipe down. And hopefully this works out well. Okay, here we go. Nice, gentle. Looking good so far. Looking good. And now for the reveal. It looks amazing. I'm so in love with this. This has unlocked a new fun thing for me and the family to work on. Unfortunately, I just learned a valuable lesson. This piece right here was coming off after I tried cleaning it, and then I thought, oh, I can maybe just put some heat on it. No, don't put heat. Heat destroys it. So I'll have to reprint this. Thankfully, it's not too much with the flexible filament. I think it's like 40 grams. So I'm going to reprint this, and or even maybe find another design to print. This has been so much fun.